Welcome to today's topic, continuing looking at iron. Here's Iron Man exhibiting one of the properties, the physical properties of iron, which is it is magnetic. There's only a few magnetic metals. The three main ones are iron, nickel, and cobalt. So it's special in that way. It's also shiny. If we take a look at pure iron, let's see here. So some pure iron, it is very shiny. It's actually soft in its pure form. And thus it's malleable, it can be shaped. It's also ductile and can be drawn into wires. But at the same time, there's some strength to it. It will hold its shape, even though it is a little bit soft at the same time. Now, usually, most iron we use is actually in the form of steel, which is an alloy. That'll be part 2 of the video, where we look specifically at steel, which is actually what most of our iron related compounds are. The last one here in orange, it relates to a chemical property. All the ones in black are physical properties. In this one, we're talking about rusting, and rust is exclusive to iron. It's a special type of oxidation in which, as the reaction happens, the result is porous, which means that more air and water can sort of seep in and then react with the iron. And that's what rust is. Rust is iron reacting with oxygen and water, and then it produces a sort of reddish iron oxide compound, and that flakes off, and eventually it'll go all the way through. So the iron is exclusive, or rust is exclusive to iron. And other metals can also do oxidation. Rust is a type of oxidation where it's reacting with oxygen. But the oxidation that happens with other metals, it only happens at the surface, and then the surface is generally a protective layer, and then it won't continue through. Rust, that doesn't happen, it continues through. Some quick uses of just iron. Tin cans are often iron coated with tin. Gates, bridges, they'll often have paint over top of them to prevent rust. And the Haber process, iron is used as a catalyst to produce ammonia. So this is used for making fertilizers. And so iron would be written above the arrow here as a catalyst.